Live po tayo ngayon dito sa Takewood Hills. Andito po tayo kung saan
Taran! Honor of the house. Child!
Bes, kabalo ka, gianay, moong nausabiya.
Lagi ba? Dili siya mo
So it's house tour now with Mommy Rain.
Okay ka na.
Sorry ha, wala akong husband karon. So, actually this is our kitchen. So, kani siya, fresh flowers ni siya. Yes, it's fresh. It's fresh. It's fresh flowers from the farm, and also this one. This is white roses and yellow roses. This would put no. So this is our ref magnet. Kani mga ref magnet best. Mano siyang amuang mga kung asa mi nag kuan nga mga countries. So like this one. Oh,
Saan siya pagamit?
Lungon-lungon ni siya nga kuan. Lungon-lungon.
Knock-knock.
Pagkani mo mana ka nga, hey, knock-knock.
Pinaka-dok-dok. Mura mo kuwan.
What's your order? I want olive oil. Olive oil?
Olive oil?
Knock again. Wala din akong gusto. Close. Diba? So, this is coral. Coral. Or platito.
Coral. Di na siya kapalok.
So, actually, mo siya ng mga picture friends. This is my daughter, my beautiful daughter. Yeah. And ano ka mine?
Ganun man, kay?
Wala na ko kaila. Pantry! I thought it's a paragon. Oh my God, so, our pantry. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Paano no? Kasi makakita na to, itong mga pagkaon. So,
Pantim siguro sulod.
no.
Nasa left side. Dili gini ka tagbalay.
Yeah. Oh my God, Rico.
Nag-grocery. Nag-grocery.
Ano nangyari? Basketball. Oh my God. Okay, so
Okay,
this is
go.
our area, Dandy. This is our dining area.
Okay.
This is our refrigerator. Right?
Asa?
Yeah, the refrigerator. The brand of the refrigerator is LG. Yes. Yes. And of course, this is our pasensya na kay pobre pa mi karon wa pa mi handa. Mga ona sa takurong puro hangin. So this is our newly hired maid. And this is our lavandera.
And this one?
This one, security guard. Bouncer. So,
Murag Nema Palayas after.
on the lights.
Sa gawas ang nisiga.
On the lights. Ikaw po lang muna siya. Okay, so if you want to unwind, just get one.
Masa na siya? Spark Spring.
What to see?
Di na wato si uy.
Yeah, sparkler.
Sparkler.
So you have to.
Kung dili yung ka sa salon na ikuan.
Dadag ko tayo sa. Pwede na? Yes.
Basta na ay fire kuan.
Ano naman nahidwa ko sa akin ng maid?
Hindi ka gamit. Lupas ko ha? Sino like dito ka effort ka? Effort kayo.
Sparkling. It's sparkling, but it's expired. Okay, so.
Oh.
Yeah, this is my collection actually. My collection from Hawaii, Macau, and the recent country, California. Okay. This is my favorite collection of all.
So unsa man na siya?
Tanduay Light.
Tanduay Light. Mura na ilan.
Vino Collab.
Unsa?
Wine. And of course, if we have no electricity at all, we can use this one. Yeah. And when we don't have mirror anymore, you can do that.
Sige ko, pamalamin.
When you want to check your panty, if it's
So guys, daragin na tinood. Ay, wala pa ako dyan ah.
when you want to check after you fuck your boyfriend, when you have almoranas or like
So guys, darang tinood tag-iya sa balay. Hello.
ako na ba tinun nga yaya?
Darang tinood niya. So,
Floor.
okay.
And of course, I know now that if Michelle is very lonely because without the husband, I know the purpose of this.
So madam, ang real owner, man ta next. Second. Hello. Yes, eh. Second. What's happening?
So, actually, they didn't have taku, so I was going to use mine.
Mine, go.
I will just make it hard first. And of course, so you have to take a
Okay, go. I-introduce na siya.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Sarah G.
Guwapa rin sa Mirror selfie, video. Dandi. Video man to siya. Napa siya capture. Nasa i-picture man.
Pinky na lang ko.
So this is our guest room.
Ah, guest.
Guest room niya din eh. Ang kuhan ko dito mga tulog. So nanatay spot.
Ah. Nice nga yung suga, oh.
And of course, this is...
What's that? Unsa naman pud na, oy. Naunsa ka, oy.
La Articayo.
Articate ka po.
And this one is when you...
Uy, aboy do.
Ring light.
Picture. Go.
It's dinner time.
After dinner, mga ano po din og dessert. So, of course, mga bisita man ako sila. So,
Kasi may bisita kini.
si Dandy and Venus. And of course, tagaan ginatas like social at nga bowl. And the brand of the bowl is Bear Brand. And the brand of the, what do we call this one? The big bowl. The big bowl is
The salad bowl.
Arenola. It's Arenola. This one, the Humba bowl. The Humba bowl is faucet. Faucet? Of course, no salad. It's a salad bowl, so there should be a salad. You have to pour the. Ano na siya? Ano ba?
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mitchell Bard, for the invitation.